Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. TCAKE doing a moon. Things going very well. Let's take a look at what's going down, man. Always a coin in the bag that we have pumping up really nice. Bitcoin down huge. I think 25K will become a reality. This guy's such a clown. Fucking loser. Yo, shout out to TCAKE. Please do TCAKE. TCAKE pumping. We're starting to get into audio. While the whole world worries about the wrong things, we're focused on the right things here, on our way to make some money. I made a huge trade last night, continuing to bang on Bitcoin, continuing to boom. We got into Audius last night. Look, 10:20 p.m. We made $400, 22% on the call. So far, so good on audio, and we're making $359 in Bitcoin. That's another thing. Actually, it switched on me real quick. Audio. Damn, man, I'm really upset though. I should have sold it at a 500 Satoshis. Let's see. We're going to look at that in a second. We're going to look at TCAKE. We're going to look at the bait call that we put in there at 630. It's only at 678. We did all the good all the way to 8. Litecoin versus Bitcoin. That's a trade I'm going to take right now. It's in a beautiful bull pennant. We're going to talk about Litecoin, Bitcoin. I talked about Sol, getting into Sol. So look, I made about, I don't know, 515. Look, this trade we opened at 11 a.m. yesterday. This thing's up, you know, $200, not too big. Anchor BTC, Zilliqua BTC, VeChain BTC. Only one trade of the last ones that I made. This one I made way back when, MTV, but all in the last 515 trade. But look, every single trade is in the green. Biggest trade, not a lot, not huge gains, you know, about $600-700 gains in total. But the point is, even in this crazy market, I'm just going to beat down on Bitcoin. We also took huge gains on the Atom BTC trade, on the one BTC trade. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the market. So this is what I see Bitcoin doing on the weekly. This is my trajectory. Bitcoin up, down, and breaking all the way out and getting all the way here to $133,000 Bitcoin. It's crazy. That's my trajectory right there. $133,000 Bitcoin. I'm calling for it. I think somewhere by July, late July at the very latest. I really believe high probability Bitcoin will break now 134K maybe by August or September, but I think we break through 100K easily in the middle of the summer, somewhere after June. That's my strong opinion. All right, and that's what the chart conveys when I look at the weekly chart. Weekly is extremely oversold. When I tell people this, look, so I don't believe 25K is on the table. I'll tell you why. Because Bitcoin, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times in the last 4 years, could you get Bitcoin this low, below the dotted line? And you could only have gotten it literally 1, 2, 3, 4 times. These are little dips. They didn't go too much below the dotted line. And right now we're extremely below the dotted line, oversold in the stochastics RSI. Let's take a look at that stochastic. Pointed down, coming back up. This thing is just, you know. Was it a fan? Going back to lo-fi. Going back to lo-fi. That lo-fi be rocking it. So right there, there's, you know, to me, that's it. That's the bottom. I'm calling for the bottom here, 44,000. We really shouldn't have broken 45K. I told you if we did, we would go to 38,000, 39,000. So our next position there, 38,600, is weekly support, right? And we had this candle closing right there. I said we cannot close a candle. Extremely important we don't close a candle. Let's look at the daily candle where we closed last night. What an indecision candle that was. Let's take a look at it. This candle closes in 10 hours. This candle just closed. We opened at 46.7. The high was 49. The low was 43. And we closed at 46. So we got positioned off 43. Okay. Now this daily candle, we went as low as 42,196. So we've gone to 42K, guys. All right. That must have happened overnight. We went down to 42K, got bought back up again. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Now, when we take a look at the 4 hour, we see what's going on here. There's extreme divergence here. Very, very hard bullish. Swing down to swing down. Okay, as you can see, you can even take this point, swing up that low to the next swing low. You do the same low there, you're getting an uptrend right there. That to me tells me that that's it. That's where we long Bitcoin for the long haul. That's where we longed it right there, 29K. I was 100% right. That's where I longed it right there at 49, 29, and boom, bullish divergence established, bottom of the pattern, suggesting That's it for Bitcoin, man. I think the worst is over. I'm going to make a call. I believe the worst is over here for Bitcoin. Enough of the FUD, man. Elon Musk, enough of the FUD, bro. It hurts all coins, too. It doesn't just hurt Bitcoin. It hurts XRP. It hurts every single coin in the game, man. It really does. So, shout out to Elon for just, I don't know, man. I can't even say anything about it. It is what, I don't know. Because, like, I have some affinity for the dude being the richest dude in the world and just kind of his ideas. Tesla, I love Tesla. Nikola Tesla changed my life. Just a lot of ideas running through my head when I think of him. I need your help because 4 hour we have bullish divergence. However, we broke the neckline on the daily head and shoulders. So I don't know which way to trade right now. What daily head and shoulders are you talking about, though? I mean, we broke a neckline a while back. I don't see a daily head and shoulders. I trust the divergence, David. I trust the divergence. So we expect the market to keep falling for a bit. Let's start with TCAKE today. It's been a long time. I bought the dips all the way to 100K. Yo, you're a smart man. I do the same thing. Please, let's do Atom. I need your opinion, Lifer, because we have 4 hours. Yeah. A lot of talk online about Bitcoin going to 28K. Oh, come on, man. Elon gets incredible amount of hate at the moment. Thank you, Elon, for all the cheap bags. Yeah, like, we should thank him for the opportunity. Thank you, Elon, for the cheap bags, baby. Thank you for pumping our bags. You know, or getting, because we're going to get them on the low, and then they're going to pump. So, Elon, much appreciated. We got to turn it always into a positive. So, what's up on what's hot? AAVE BTC, right? Kusama BTC. You want to take advantage of the BTC pairs. That's what the word is right now. That's what they're doing right now. They're using these little coins to accumulate more Bitcoin. AAVE back to 572, starting to make a move. AAVE is going to get all the way up to the target there at 852. Do not sleep. AAVE will hit my target. XRP Bitcoin up 7%, right? This fund just keeps moving. This fund coin is just blasting. Shout out to Just a Good Guy. Thank you for the cup of coffee. $4 cup of coffee, man. DGen Play, Shiba Pirate, and VCake. Looks good. Bottom out. Hey, you never know. Thank you for the DGen Play, Crypto Beezy. Appreciate that. And he did mention it was a DGen Play, so don't hate on him. He's saying it's DGen. When someone says DGen Play, don't get mad at them at that point. They told you it was a DGen Play. It was what it does. It is what it is. MATIC BTC. Look how much Bitcoin you could have made. I should have played this call. 182% on your Bitcoin in like a week. Damn. In 8 days. MATIC. Beasted. MATIC BTC. And we did give you the trade down here. Stop loss. Buy zone right there. Get into the trade. Look. I buy the bottom of the pattern. Look at that. Stop loss never got hit. I gave you your buy zone. Told you exactly where to get in on this trade. Boom. Congrats. The Crypto Lifer gave you another beautiful trade all the way. So if you watched me, if you'd been around, if you were a Patreon of mine, then you made 200% on MATIC BTC. Bam. Why does that say 680%? No way. 680%? Yeah. Wow. Had you taken the call on April 14th, wow, you'd be paid in the shade right now. Up 666% gains on your BTC for MATIC. Can't make these calls up, man. See, we gave you this. We gave you Cartesia at 27 cents. And you can watch it online. You can go watch the video where I talk about it. You know. Hi, Lifer. What's up, big boy? What's up with Light, bro? You forced me to buy it after talking about it for days and days. It ain't do nothing. Prove that my calls are better than most calls. Funny. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Thank you for jumping on in and sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time, guys. Much respect to all of you. Is the bull run over? That's what everyone's going to talk about. That's what everyone wants to push. You know? Okay, we're going to take a look right here. I just want to take a look at the stream. I haven't looked at the stream. I'm just doing my thing. Focus. Life wasn't a TA call. Not at all. No, I know, but you pushed it like a freaking... You know what I'm saying? every day. Light. You know what I mean? You should put your name on stuff that you push like that on a channel all day long. I'm just saying. The bull run is starting. I agree, man. The bull run is just getting started, baby. This is the beginning of the bull run. This is the beginning of the bull run. We haven't even seen it yet. We haven't even seen the bull run begin yet. Good morning, Lifer. I have an appointment, but didn't get a Zoom link. Yes. I could find out if that's true or not, because this is an automated system. I always battle my subs when they tell me they didn't get a Zoom link, but it's a chance. I could tell right now if you got one or not. It depends. If you did it in crypto, there's a chance that you didn't if you paid in crypto. I got Greg at 2 o'clock. I got Jay Hawkins at 3. I got James at 4. Okay. Please, can we have a quick look at Anchor? Yeah, we'll look at Anchor. I dropped like 30% because 2 to 3 big wallets dumped. Just hold it and see. What up, boss? Hope you had a good weekend, man. Much respect. Can you please look at .USDT? Light will go for sure. You'll be thanking him one day. Aaron Thomas. Yeah, no, I don't worry about it, man. I hold it long term. So yeah, there's your Zoom meeting right there. Check it. When you got the second this appointment gets made, I get an email and you get an email. And there's a tiny little Zoom link at the bottom of the email. Double check your spams and stuff like that, because if this is in like this, if you made the appointment, you should have an email, honestly. You should have an email. So let me know, man. Double check. This happens like every day. Someone goes, I didn't get the email. And then I ask them to check and they go, oh, I got it. It happens every single day. Okay, and a quick look at Hanzo Inu. Interesting. I need to tell you, you should invest in projects you believe in. Hodl and buy the dips. Exactly, man. It's tomorrow. Well, I have one for today, no? Or maybe that's your dad? James Coburn. Today, May 17th. I have a James at 4. And I have a J here at 8 a.m. Yeah. It says you got the email, because I got an email right there. If this came out, then I'm positive, pretty positive you got the email. Sorry. Just double check, man. I'll send it again, though. I'll have my team send it again. Is this crypto suicide hotline? They linked me here. Yeah, come on in, man. Don't worry. Take a deep breath. Everything's going to be all right. We're going to talk you through this bull run. Everything's going to be all right. Look, Cartesi was 27 cents. It's 127. That's all we have to think about. In a month, coins have just erupted. The entire space is blown up. MATIC BTC, 600% gains. Like, we just seen some huge moves in a lot of these coins. I think it was 600 Satoshi, man. Damn, man. 666 gains from the place I put you in. Right there. I buy the bottoms of the patterns. I also gave a Patreon message to my Patreons to buy MATIC at 36 cents. I said I would accumulate MATIC right here at 36 cents. Gave it to all my Patreons. So no one can say they missed MATIC if they were with the Crypto Lifer. I was all over it. I was all over it. Okay. Obviously do too much tutoring because I missed some of this move. It's kind of sad. But I believe everything will come in. You guys will take care of me, right? When I lose 10 grand because I'm tutoring all day, you guys will make it better for me, right? You should take a look at Elon's tweets. He's made SLR. He's mad and salty. Why is he so mad? The Bitcoin world is going to continue to roll on him, man. Like, what's up with this guy? Follow me at CryptoLifer33. What happens if you buy the dip and then it keeps on dipping? This guy's such a weirdo, bro. Okay, I'll bite. Who's Elon Musk? It's funny. Configurate now live in Hungary and Romania. Configurator. Working with the Doge. He hasn't tweeted anything recently. It looks like he's been quiet. Showing his rockets come down. Live feed of the Starlink mission. It's pretty cool. He hasn't said much recently at all. It's high time there was a carbon tax. To be clear, I strongly believe in crypto, but it can't drive a massive... This guy's such a weirdo. I mean, of course, everyone that's into Bitcoin can't stand him now. Natty Dread, ego has a spurg. I appreciate the tutoring session. Shout out to Andrew Green, man. Much respect, bro. I think you can make money on KuCoin right now. I agree. KuCoin's always going to go up. It's going to continue to go up. I have 5 pounds. How much should I be putting in each trade? Should I be selling all of the trades when up or keep some in the long term? Appreciate your advice. I mean, it all depends on what you're doing. You got to plan it out. You got to tell yourself, for instance, VeChain. Look at this. UFO studies and possibility of alien origin. On CBS News, dude. Our fascination with aliens has led us to speculate about unidentified flying objects. CBS News, bro. The grave of H.R. Giger, the Swiss sculptor designer who designed, among other things, the alien creatures for the movie Alien. Aliens. Maybe that's why it's trending, but it's kind of weird. Aliens are trending right now on Twitter. Derailed 100%. Tweets and replies. We're going to get into Ethereum right now, and I'm going to show you the coin. I'm going to show you the coin of the day, man. I believe there's a coin right now today that is just remarkable, continuing to pump, doing its thing. And we're going to take a look at that right now as well. You guys didn't tell me my head was getting cut off. You got to tell me this stuff, man. Got to tell me this stuff. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. 137 people watching. It's like the watch is going down because of the bear market. Come on, man. Let's get back up to our regular 200, man. UFO thing is the next PSYOP after COVID. Yeah, probably. I agree. They've been planning that for a long time. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Can we get up to 100 like? Do 140 people watching? 59 likes, bro. So if I don't check you guys, if I don't come out here and check you guys, you're just gonna let these likes just sit there? Come on, man. It's just so disrespectful, bro. I have a wife and kids who eat off this channel, and you can't give me a like? When I like my daughter, my 6-year-old daughter's trying to eat food. When you don't give a like, you're literally pulling food from my daughter's mouth. Like, how dare you? How dare you? You want me to come across this mic and fucking rip your... No, I'm just messing. I'm just saying, though, hit the like button, man. Like, come on, man. This is the least you could do for somebody is hit the like button. For crying out. Yo, seriously, man. Seriously, bro. I could keep all this knowledge to myself and make a boatload of money by myself, man. I really could. I don't need to freaking share all my dope information with you guys. I keep it to myself. I don't need to share the trade that I just made last night. That I made $358, 19%. You could have made 19% on 100 grand. You could have made 20 grand. It's all the effing guys. I only forgot one time, lifer. It doesn't matter. One time's worse enough. I sent a DM about a tutoring session. Whatever you get a chance to look at it. I don't go through my DMs. You're going to have to email @CryptoLifers. Please, man. Please. I try not to, like... I'm trying to divide my scheduling. We'll hook up. We'll hook up, Denise. We'll hook up. I just been having no time to think lately. Likes pumping. There we go. Please get the likes up to 100 likes. 150 people watching. Get the likes all the way up. Show me you're a real person. Honestly, like... This isn't some YouTuber who's, hey, man, yeah, I get money to talk about crap coins. No, I don't do that. I give you my entire life in a nutshell. Like, you see my kids, you see my baby. You see my life, right? Please, at least give me a like. Sup, Liver? What do you think about Windy? Have you gone through that today? What do you think about Cody? Let's take a look at my Cody BTC trade. Is it still up? Where is it at? And look, you notice some trades are down. BTT, BUSD. This is down. Just keep putting money in them. Don't worry about them. Hard's down. Bought hard a month ago. Just been down. Win. Been down, right? The whole market's just been down in some of the sectors. Scale has been down. CHZ. TVK, right? I bought TVK. You guys remember that? In March. Tanked on me. Back to 35. I will hold this till I either get back to zero or get a pump. I will hold trades until I get my pump. Phantom. Bitcoin doing really well. Atom BTC doing well right now. Holding 51 Satoshi. You know? Probably a good point to possibly get back into the Atom BTC trade. I'm going to look at it. We took profits at 57 Satoshi. Now it's back. Look at the Cody BTC trade. Up 264. Still doing well. We're going to take a look at the Cody BTC trade. If every Patreon member liked every stream. Yeah, why don't every... Yeah, that's a good point. Like, I have 200 Patreon members, but I don't, you know? Bro, you changed. You be begging for likes half the show, bro. Enough respect, though. Don't worry about the likes. I'm not begging for likes, bro. Damn, you changed. See, that pisses me off, Dark Nate. Come on, man. I'm not begging for likes. What I'm doing is I'm saying if I was going to do something of that, I'm saying is I only want to hang out with people that hit the like button. That's what I'm saying. So if you don't want to hit the like button, beat the stream. You too, Nate. Beat the stream, bro. You want to talk nonsense? Beat it. I'm dead serious. Beat it. Leave the stream, bro. If you don't want to hit the like button, please leave the stream, yo. No lie. No lie. Dead serious. Like, I am not here for a popularity contest. I am not Carl the Moon, bro. Right? Straight up. Straight up. All right. All right, so check it out. Burger BNB. I'm looking at Burger BNB. Why? Well, it's been interesting me right now. We first used to get this when it first came out for the BNB pair. Came back down, pumped. I want to look at it, the USDT pair. Burger's on my radar, though. I believe it's going to have the Burger swap move. Don't give up on the BSC. Now, I sold this live on camera, 24.88. Might be a nice time to reaccumulate my Burger, man. So get back into Burger would be pretty sweet. So I like where it's at right now. I'm going to take a look at it on the oscillators. $11 Burger. Doesn't really have support and resistance there at the $4 region. Yeah, I agree. I made good money off the free stream. See, that's the point, man. Because Jerk must. Yeah. Do you like Eureka? I love Eureka. It's funny you said that. Eureka's hot, man. Eureka's hot. Horde USDT. Hell yeah. Hit the dislike on your way out, too. Yo, all the likes are related to the algorithm, which is related to his reach. Guys, this helps the YouTube algorithm. Like, it won't cost you anything for top-notch analytics. Come on, people. Yeah, exactly. Dislikes help the channel as well. Straight up, right? Thank you for the 100 likes, man. Much respect to everybody on the live. Much respect. Dislikes help the channel as well. Yeah, whatever, man. It's not. I'm not fiending for likes. I'm just fiending for like what's due. Like, do what you're supposed to do. That's all I'm saying. Do what you're supposed to do. You know how bold it is to say leave the stream? Like, that's hard to do. You say something like that, you almost might lose. Nick, buy the dips for the 99 super chat. Much respect to you, man. $100 super chat out of nowhere. Nick, buy the dips, bro? Are you kidding me? Yo, hold up. See? I get real, and my peoples get real. See? Like helps YouTube. Yeah, some people acting like push the like button will tarnish their ego. Yo, shout out to the $99 super chat. Much respect to you, man. Especially when there was not one super chat today. It was dry. Well, we got one from just a good guy for my cup of coffee, man. Dry as a bone in this bear market. Damn, I'm trying to survive, man. The bear market makes it hard on me, bro. Coming out every day, I shouldn't call it the bear market, but pullbacks like this it's not easy, right? It's fun when we're all safe mooning and life is great. It's not that easy when everyone's coming at you when they're asking, where's my portfolio at? What's going on? Right? Shout out to Nick, man. Nick, buy the dip for the 99 super chat, man. Let's show him out there. Nick, buy the dips, bro. I love him with his DeFi profile pic too. Let you know, man, anything is possible in this world. Just keep pushing forward, guys. Never give up. Never give up. I do like burger here. Nice time to take a nibble, $11 burger. Just kind of putting that on your radar. Rarible. NFT is going to come back up and make a big move. Rarible is one of the biggest marketplaces for NFTs. Don't sleep. It was in spam. Should I keep my bag of ROOBEE or move it elsewhere like Bake or Cody? Interesting. It was in spam. Awesome. Awesome. Damn, why are they sending it to spam though? That sucks. You're the man, dude. I appreciate that. No, the only reason is you set up an automated system so you don't have to like go through the emails, and then you still have to email them, and then it's like it kind of defeats the point of the automated system. So whenever someone's like, I didn't get the email, I'm always like, damn, man, like I'm happy we could take care of this on the stream. I'm trying to multitask as much as possible. Rarible, look at it. Shoulder, head, and shoulder kind of fell to the downside. It's at support now, making a higher low. Bit of a giant cup and handle here for Rarible. Put that on your radar at $17. Rarible, going to be one of the biggest marketplaces for NFTs. But ETH, man, the ETH fees are really just probably destroying Rarible too. It's sad. A lot of big projects that should be doing well and actually bring a lot of love and technology to the space, they actually aren't doing well because of ETH, not because they don't have a good project. Isn't that sad? It's just if you had a beautiful car that works really well, but the highway just, the highway just was never built right. You could never use the highway. It's kind of sad. So you got a good car, you worked really hard, you got a good project, but you just linked up with the wrong group of people. The Ethereum crew. Too bad, you should have linked up with Cardano or someone else. You see what I'm saying? So it's kind of sad, man. Best value ever get for a like, man. Shout out to all the people on here. Still won't get the likes all the way up to 147. Just won't get them. You guys are freaking crazy. I'm about to just cut the stream off today. Just close. I should just one day just disappear for like a week. Just disappear for a week. Are those M's, which is why I dipped? Yeah, that's a giant M. We stay away from M's. We don't touch the M's. Look at that. When you see an M, you're out. There's even an M right there on the side. Right here, there's an M. Dumb City, man. Do you stop losses in your 3 commas trades? Because I can't see any when you just showed your Cody trade. No, I do not use a stop loss. Foolish, in my opinion, to use a stop loss. Unless, certain time, you know what? Certain places would have been good. Like this trade would have been good to use a stop loss TBK. Right? But my Cody, most of my trades are planned out pretty well, honestly. Or I have my plan. I'm going to buy it here and get out at this price. Right? So, So no. But I'd only risk 1% of my portfolio per trade. So you're either going to use a stop loss or you risk less than 1% of your portfolio per trade. You get what I'm saying? If you're not going to use a stop loss, then you have to only put in on 1%. So if you were 10 grand, you can only put $100 in the trade. If you lose the trade, you lose 1%. So all my trades only have less than 1% of my portfolio per trade. Okay? Make sense? Okay. If I put more than 1% of my 1%, 6,000, 7,000. So if I'm gonna put more than that, then maybe a stop loss or some risk management. Okay. And honestly, I usually don't even go close to that. So Cartesian, look, shoulder, head, shoulder, bounced off this 706 into the 618, making higher lows. Good place to kind of get back into Cartesian. Just wanted to put that on your radar. I like where we're at right here in the Fibonacci level. We pulled the Fibonacci, bounced off the 706, my secret crypto fib, and now we're making higher highs. Higher lows, getting out of this moment here. And we're seeing a nice trajectory. Okay. Cartesian, man. This thing ripped from 27 cents to 170, 174, right? Take profits from MEPAD. Might be a good time to take profits from MEPAD. I kind of think it is. Let's take a look at MEPAD. I believe I had it up on KuCoin. MEPAD. 35. Wow, so it went all the way up to 40. Honestly, yes and no. It's doing a bit of a cup and handle here. See that cup and handle now? Interesting. On the 1 hour? Normally I would say take some profits, but it's flagging out. This is what's called a bull flag. So it's already flagging out here. You might want to let this thing ride. People are buying into this hard. Look how many buys are. Man, so look. Some selling going on. But how much? $9,000. $5,000. He just bought 5. This guy just bought 13 grand of MEPAD. Right? So 1,400. A lot more buys coming in. Little sells, but big buys. 2,500 into MEPAD. People want to get into the MEPAD, man. They want to rock out. So there's the idea for MEPAD, man. Right? I swear I had MEPAD. It's really weird. I'm wondering if I bought it. Nah, man. I swear I had MEPAD, but it says I don't. When I go here to 0, MEPAD. Let me just see if it's the right. Maybe there was like 2 tokens, but look, it's already been added. Something happened, man. I swore I bought, though. I bought it live in front of everybody, man. You guys saw me. I'm like, I like this. Would have made a nice 3x2 on MEPAD, man. So many coins in the list, man. So many coins in there. It's insane. I only bought it because you did. Right? Is it on your phone like Kate? No, it's not. Because that was when I was out. Honestly, I found I never had MEPAD, man. I never had it. It's really whack. Like, we went over this with one of my subscribers, like my boy Merles, just a good guy, and he was like, yo, I swear I saw you buy it though. I think the transaction spun and never went through. I don't know, honestly, what happened. Doesn't make sense. Like, I swore I bought the thing live on camera with you guys. Like 100%. Like, but I don't have two wallets. I don't have to, you know. My only idea was this, that it was on. This doesn't have BNB, so I couldn't have bought it there. There's no BNB in any of these wallets. This is the only wallet with BNB, right? This would be cool if MEPAD just shows up in here. No, look. 0 MEPAD. Dang, man. How's my SAFEMOON bag? If I try to sell SAFEMOON right now, how much do we have? I can't wait to just SAFEMOON. I just want to get the money out. It's such a game, man. It's such a game. Like, it eats alive at me. It literally eats me alive every single time. Pancakes while playing games again today. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Thoughts? With same stream you called out, TBAKE. Bro, you might staked it on their website. MEPAD. Oh, maybe I did stake, right? He's saying you probably staked it. Usually the LP comes out though, right? Come on. Yo, big news. SAFEMOON Twitter and news. Yo, I've seen some big. SAFEMOON is coming out with a card, like a credit card, guys. It's a big deal. I see a SAFEMOON credit card. I mean, when I saw that, I kind of bugged out. Can we check the LTC BTC trade? Yeah, new subscriber. Love the content, brother. Shout out to Parker Craig. Much respect to you, man. Thank you so much for coming through, man. Stake MEPAD. I think I did stake my MEPAD. There it is. No, wait. No, remember you guys said this to me the other time, and I went and I found out I didn't have any MEPAD. Unless, did I stake it with the other wallet? That's the idea, right? You guys said this to me before, and we double checked. I would have remembered staking my MEPAD, man. I really feel like I would have, but you never know. I do so much stuff on the live, it's possible. Oh wait, now I'm not at the right address, so let's see. No, but it connected the right one. Isn't that weird too? Even if I am on a different address, it seems to connect to the old address. It's really weird. Yeah, look, total staked. I don't got any MEPAD staking. That's a huge APY too, man. What a nice APY. You need to rebrand to Crypto Detective. MEPAD stake contract not active yet. Oh, so why? You can't stake it yet. See that? So I couldn't have staked it anyway. Yeah, random thoughts. Do you remember which day that was? My notes show me MEPAD and TBAKE was the same stream. Random 5. You guys have notes on my. You guys are the best, man. I need all your notes on all my streams so I can make money on myself. You know what I'm saying? Love, do your own research. I did at least. Let's take a look at. I'm in an audio BTC. I need to take a look at the trade for myself right now. Need to do something for me at the moment. Yeah, it's starting to fall. I really wanted to sell it at when it hit my target right there, 5,200. Now it's falling back down. It is at support right now, but big green candle. This thing has pumped and dumped before though, right? I'd like to see it get a nice pump. We do see the moving averages finally getting very, very tight. And the 21 crossing, this is a good time. 4 hour also, look, we're about to have a golden cross. 50 days crossing the 200. I'm going to hold this trade and let it rock out, honestly. Let's look at the daily. Yeah, the daily, I'm going to hold this trade till the daily gets here. That's my goal. So my goal is to hold this trade until the daily gets up here. At that case, when that happens, I will exit the trade. That's the plan. Always has some wicks though on this trade. Or do I take the 327 right now? Take it. Or let it rock. Let's take a look at Litecoin BTC. LTC, BTC. You'll see why I got into it. It looked like a beautiful bull pennant. Flagging up here, doing its thing. I like this trade right now. I like this trade a lot. Like, it's looking very, very healthy. A lot of indications. Oversold in the daily, pumping up on the 4 hour. Look at the 4 hour. Look how beautiful this pennant looks. I looked at this last night and I said, wow, that's textbook beautiful. Beautiful. Right? So, bam, ready to rock. The moving average were tight right there. Place to buy. Getting close again, though. Starting to make a move. We go to the 1 hour if you want to look at more moving averages. Getting extremely tight, and the 200-day moving average is moving through the bottom of the pattern. I talk about that as my catalyst to buy almost any trade. Open here, make 39% on the measured move, but I believe more could come out of this. But I like the LTC BTC trade. I gave this to all my Patreons. I'm just giving it to you guys here just so you can see it. Pump our bags for us, man. Pump our bags. Pump our bags, baby. Glad it's not just me. I'll take notes. I take notes too. Glad it's not just me. I can stake MEPAD with Trust Wallet. Oh, that's whack, bro. Trust Wallets? I don't like Trust Wallet. Can you talk more about Bitcoin, please? Bunny and Cake. Have you checked Green Shiba Inu lifer? Actually, N2 on the 24-hour bakery swap trend. Number 2 on the... Ooh, wow, really? Green Shiba Inu. I got a coin called NFT Moon last night at $76, and it's now worth $12.50, man. Good for you, Greg. That's how it works, bro. Is a MEPAD exclusive Patreon call posted on 5/3? It could have been, yeah. I'm pretty sure the day, if I bought in, usually if I buy in, let's take a look. If I buy in, no results found. MEPAD. Meme. It's on the 3rd of May. Check out Get Smart ticketing project always uses by big event organizers like the biggest one in the Netherlands. May 1st at 16 cents is when you got into MEPAD. There it is, man. Thank you. I found the stream with MEPAD trying to see if Lifer bought it. Damn, man. You guys are awesome, man. Roughly around this timestamp. This is crazy. You guys are like detectives, man. There's so much information in all my streams. It's insane. Yeah, it was near the end. Taco swapping. TBAKE. We're talking about TBAKE there at 7 cents, man. How much is TBAKE right now? This is why, if anyone's new on the channel and you don't know what's going on here or what we do here, guys, we make apps. Look, 175% if you got into MEPAD, man, with us, bro. Let's take a look at TBAKE. 7 cents, we're showing it to you there. Where is it at now? 12 cents. Nice double up. Nice double up. And it went all the way to 20 cents. So it did a 3x, really, had you made the call when we talked about it there. Oh, that's the day we got into Brick. That didn't work out too well. Maybe I was gonna get into Brick or MEPAD, and I chose Taco Finance, Brick Finance, whatever, man. Okay, here's me talking about MEPAD right here. It was 13 cents when we were going over it. I'm making my pennant, and I'm like, I like this pennant. I like where it's at. I'm making sure a lot of people are buying it, like I always do, and that's usually when I get ready to get in. Oh, look, I look really sexy right there. I'm just... Maybe I never bought it. Look. Maybe I never bought MEPAD. Maybe I never ended up buying it. Weird. Thought I did. Is what it is. I dropped the super chat in for MEPAD. I remember that stream well. It was at the end of the stream. We just hung out while funds were moving around to buy it. Burke just redid the roadmap and got through the audit. I bought the live that day. Paid for my Patreon right there. Jonathan Zigaldo. Yeah, your opinion on cheesecake swap, please. Have we hit the low for BNB? That's a good question. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 156 likes. Can we get the likes? 156 people. Can we get the likes to the watchers? That's all I'm asking. Likes to the watchers. Thank you so much for the $4.99 donation from Jeff Genter. Much appreciated. VanCat, please. Chrissy Fouts. What did Chrissy Fouts say? Let's see what's going on here. How do I lose the chat, man? I don't understand. All right, I bought in that day live, yeah. Chrissy Fouts, VanCat, please. Just go 1 billion. VanCat, baby, VanCat. Let's take a look at what's happening in VanCat on Dex Tools. Always have to switch back and forth. Or KuCoin probably is. KuCoin has the best charts, honestly. MEPAD looks like it's going to break out again, though. It looks pretty hot to me. I'm being honest. Yep. VanCat. You know what a VanCat is? It's a good giant cat. Like Siberia or Russia or something. There's only like 25,000 or 250,000 in the whole world. Ooh, VanCat taking a dump. Honestly, when people ask me about this thing, I always kind of was weary about it. I don't know why. I had a bad feeling. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It is hitting previous support region, which was right there. Maybe you could continue to pump, but damn. You want to sell these things at the top for sure. You're still in VanCat. Sorry. Took a beat down. You got to sell it. Once you 5x on these things, 4 5x, it's time to just get out. It's just that simple, man. It's that simple. And I learned my lessons too. Don't get me wrong. I've held some of these. But then you want to SAFEMOON, right? You want to SAFEMOON like the lifer, and you want to hold on all the way to the end. It's just crazy. You ended up losing or gaining. It's up and down. It is what it is. If you're not ready to hold for 2 months, then I think just take your gains. You know? KuCoin crashed, right? It was up huge, 6,000, right? So I'm just saying, take your gains, guys. Cat's coin is another. I dropped 200 and it's worth 14K for me. Yeah, guys, green Shiba Inu on Bakery Swap trend. I dropped a super chat in for MEPAD. I remember that stream well. That's crazy, bro. I got on the day you did on MEPAD at 12 when it was mentioned first here on the show. Holding 10K. Preesh. Jeff Genter, man. See, look at that, man. MEPAD busting it out. Just bought in. You should not buy MEPAD a second time. I know, right? TCAKE, green Shiba Inu. Wow, you're pushing that green Shiba Inu. We get it, man. Enough. That was the same stream. TCAKE came into the picture also. TBAKE. Yeah. SafePad pre-sale starts tomorrow. ROOBEE. Let's take a look at ROOBEE for Jay Kilburn. ROOBEE looked nice. It was a small on KuCoin. Damn. Took a beat down on the BTC pair. Fell out of the channel. See, that's why I stop loss right there at the trend line. And this is a rising wedge, right? And I tell you guys, if you take a tutoring session with me, a rising wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the downside. But if it does break up, it starts a parabolic run. This thing was doing well. Let's take a look, though. It's at support right here. Right? Because right there, right? Previous support on that high. Came back down to that area in the falling wedge. Just want to make sure it holds the support region at 248 Satoshi. It's in a falling wedge now as well. ROOBEE. Like the project, like the coin. Thought it was going to continue to the upside. It was one of my trades that didn't go perfect. Nothing, I'm not perfect. Right? About 90% of the things move, but I'm not perfect. Someone needs a muting. Sell Doge and ETH. Sell Doge and ETH. Buy Bitcoin. It might be a good idea. TRIAS BTC, please. Do you think Doge will go up? TRIAS BTC. TRIAS. I mean, this thing demolished Bitcoin recently too as well. Another big coin on the run. Wow, so it pumped up hard. That is an M. We stay away from the M's double top. But the double top should have bounced a little lower. We got saved by the 200-day moving average. And I talk about that on the 1 hour, if that can be the bottom of the pattern. So TRIAS BTC, I actually really like where it is right now. This is an interesting trade, to say the least. This coin pumps hard, right? It pumps really hard. So, TRIAS BTC. Let's look at this thing. That's where I like to buy, bottom of the pattern. Could either be a double top or, I mean, to me, double top would be a little higher and closer. These are a little more extended. Falling wedge that broke to the top side. Another falling wedge. You're at the bottom of the pattern here. I'm going to put a call out for TRIAS BTC right now. TRIAS BTC. Okay. I like it. Stop loss under that wick right there. Bam. Positional strength right there. Buy zone is right there at the end. 124% gains on your BTC. I like this call right here. I like the trade. Bottom of the trend line. Oversold on the 1 hour, right? Oversold on the 4 hour, pointing up. Daily also low. Both time frames looking nice, right? You want to perfect the buy, you can make sure you're oversold on the 30-minute, which you are too as well. A lot of things about this trade make sense to me. I like where we're at. This is looking pretty bold. I'm going to make a live call on it. I'm going to make a live trade here for TRIAS BTC. Do I have it though? I got to move some BTC to KuCoin at the moment. Let's take a look here. I like. I'm gonna have to move some BTC over to KuCoin. It's all right. Take me a second. Yeah, can't buy this on out of the exchange. I don't believe. TRIAS. I like this call right now. One of the hottest calls of the day. I'm gonna put it out here. This is gonna blow, guys, and I like to buy the bottom of the patterns, man. I like what we're seeing here on the 1 hour, ready to rock. Multiple time frames are oversold. Okay, multiple time frames are oversold. Does it want to come down a little lower to this? That's a this is a possibility that we can get a little lower, but I believe we're on that trend line because of the wick. Because of the wick. Interesting. So there's a live call for the channel. If I don't put it out right now, I might forget. So I want to put it out right now as I'm thinking about it. Okay. Okay. Guys, watch my group too. I'm deleting stuff in there today. Horde is coming back up again. Okay, I'm going to add this to the exclusive calls room right now. Obviously, these aren't the only things in the exclusive calls room. But every once in a while, you know, if you're supporting me and you're watching the live stream, I want you to get paid before you decide to pay me. That's the plan here. That's why when everyone complains, I'm like, always like, why though? I give free trades every single day, constantly. Like, and there's going to be another one tomorrow, and another one the next day, and another one the next day. And it's never going to stop. It's never going to stop until I stop. And I'm never going to stop. Right? So I'm trying to tell people what to do while I'm on the live, man. Okay, check it out. All the down coins, man. Bidao, man. Bidao. Remember that? People sweating that when that ICO came out. Theta BTC on the move. AAVE BTC, Sol BTC. Right? The Sol BTC play just continues to play out. I mean, this is something we talked about over here. Let's go back in time. Sol BTC trade started putting it out right. We really put it out here at about 35,000 sats, and now it's 110. I mean, the gains were insane. Look at that, and continuing to rip. 341% gains on your Bitcoin, man, for the Sol BTC pair. Doing great. So look, while they're causing all this issue, right, while they're doing all this drama, and there's so much Bitcoin to be made on the backs, behind everybody's back, right? While the whole market looks like it's dumping, these guys are just making Bitcoin hand over fist. Hand over fist. And so I started doing the same. I saw the market cycle. I'm like, oh, that's what they're doing. I'm going to do the same. I will do the same. Had you just put your money in Sol and MATIC a month ago, you would have made so much Bitcoin. It's insane. I regretfully didn't take full advantage of this, honestly, whether I was too focused on my own business and what else I was doing as well as trading. I put these calls out too. I put the calls out, but I'm just very nervous to trade my Bitcoin. Now I'm getting more loose to trade my Bitcoin. It took me a while. I have some of those, like, you know, like I can't pry it out of my little hands. Just, oh, my Bitcoin, you know. I got to learn, man. Scared money does not make money, man. So you got to go. You got to go in. Hummingbird made 10x yesterday. Now it's down to 6x. Potential dip buy. Hummingbird Finance, man. You guys put it on our radar too. You told us to get in, but we did not get in. I did not get in. Okay, so now emotions will kill us. Yeah. Did you bought the new project BurnCoin? Never heard of it. Never heard of BurnCoin. It's all new on the radar. Can't stop, won't stop. I mean, totally crashed. Dude, stay away from these little coins. SafeMoon is in... MEPAD is in your OX wallet. But why it's not there, though? Maybe I bought the wrong one, guys. Maybe I bought the wrong one. That's what I'm wondering now. We're trying to recover my MEPAD as a group for the last few days. Every time I look in there, it's not in there. Look, MEPAD 0. Right there, MEPAD. Nothing. Approve MEPAD spend transaction on 5/15. BNB. Spend limit amount, nuns, gas limit. Did I sell my bean? Unable to sell SafeMoon. When will you do TCAKE? Frog just listened on PancakeSwap a couple days ago. Yeah, you mess with the trailing take profits on 3 commas. Not much, no. MEPAD is going to moon. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I like the beats, man. Thank you, bro. Yeah, the new project like SafeMoon, but better concept. Oh, God, man. It's so hard, bro. Cheesecake Swap. We'll take a look at Cheesecake Swap. GM, bro. My MATIC rocking. Thank you. Anytime, man. Anytime, man. Anytime, Crypto Greg, man. Much respect, bro. Life or read Francis's comment. It's hard to read a comment when there's that many. MEPAD is in your wallet. Francis Furtado. France, DM me, man. We're going to work on this maybe after the stream, man, because I can't seem to find it. We appreciate the transparency. SafeMoon Cash. I found MEPAD purchase. I found the super chat from Mr. Smurfington on May 2nd. This is crazy, bro. He found it. He found it. Open link in a new tab. Oh, YouTube. Why has it opened up the YouTube studio link? Funny, me and you with the links, Kevin. I don't know what's going on. It says something went wrong every time I hit that link. Well, then I lose the chat, too. Damn it. I just lost the chat. It's been a crazy day for me today, man. GTUSDT, best time to go long. It's possible. I don't know, though. I haven't looked at it. What will you do with TCAKE? I'm going to hold TCAKE till it comes out and it becomes a real process. Lifer coming back you up. Lifer's coming to back you up. Solid. Yeah. Big 24-hour volume. Please, TCAKE. Wow, this person's like fiending for TCAKE like it's the end of the world. Jesus. Let's take a look at TCAKE, baby. I know, but then people don't hit the like button. I don't get it. So I hit that like button. Whales losing control. Oh no. No. Can we stake on farm or farm meme coin? It's coming out soon, but I don't think you can stake it yet. It's coming out soon though. We went over that earlier today. So TCAKE, man, on the way, pumping hard, bro. And why? Well, May 20th they come out, right? And now once it breaks, look, it's gonna break this high here. That's resistance. Big beautiful cup, and then continue to the upside. These are our levels of support and resistance. You want to see it break through 10 cents, then it can easily get to 12, and then back all the way up to that 14 cents region. I thought I saw it at 16 cents before. I know I have, but PancakeTools. What is PancakeTools? A lot of people don't understand. It's a great website. It's really cool. TCAKE. Let's take a look at TCAKE for you guys, so you guys can understand what's going on with TCAKE. All right. It's like a service that we're going to be able to use on Pancake, you know? So I believe Pancake's just getting started too, man. SAFEMOON taking a bit of a hit back down to 700. Come on, man. Come on. Shiba Uno, even after 41 of the... So he burns 41% of the supply. You think the coin would go up immediately? I'm confused by all that. Audius, the coin that we picked up 16% today, $2.15. $329 million market cap. This thing is going to be good for artists who want to put out their music. I think I'll end up using it as well. And then Solana on our radar. We got in Solana 47, just holding, but it's on its way, man. It's on its way. Don't sleep on Solana. Let's take a look at PancakeTools. 10 cents, up 25% today. $14 million market cap. This thing has so much room to grow. So much room to grow. TCAKE.io, a pair explorer on Binance. Control your trading. May 20th, baby. This is coming out in a few days, baby. Upcoming DEX listings, deflation system, profit market services, and airdrop claiming. Look at that. They're going to airdrop us some coins, too, for holding TCAKE. This thing is hot, bro. The second I saw this thing, I was all over it. I was like, this is hot. We loved it, man. We were one of the first people to talk about it. VIP is going to cost $50 a month. Favorite plans without limits, alerts, no advertisements, real-time data chart, pool explorer pair. I'll probably have to get it. I'll probably have to get the $50 a month, or at least try it one time. You know, give them some TCAKE and figure it out. So they got the market cap in progress, the launch, Trading Tools platform, the airdrop distribution, and then they launched staking in July. It's crazy how long it's going to take to launch staking, but I like how we have projected plans later on in the future telling you that this bull run doesn't end. People don't stop building just because of parameters of you know what's selling. Damn, that's hot. Gonna have to get some more TCAKE. Yeah, the next dip, I think we should get some more TCAKE. Hey, Lifer, Gero is a project on Cardano. Just launched. Check it out. GERO on Cardano. More and more projects coming out on Cardano. I get almost overwhelmed. Like, oh man, more. We got to do more now. Girolamo Cardano. That was the dude, you know, who started Cardano. He's one of the most influential mathematics of the time. That's why Cardano's named after. People don't realize. Girolamo or Geronimo, you know, how you ever call it. So Gero makes sense. The new IDO on CardStarter. Cardano starter, right? Newest IDO, GeroWallet. Let's take a look at GeroWallet. We'll put you on, guys, on the things that just came on. You heard of PSwap, of course, PokerSwap, man. You master key to DeFi, effortlessly buy, store, send, and receive, and swap any asset, all with GeroWallet. Effortlessly buy, store, send, receive, and swap any asset, all with the GeroWallet. Interesting. Your key to the DeFi world. Access decentralized applications with complete blockchain compatibility. One-stop access. No more switching between multiple apps. Really? Easily buy, store, swap, send, and receive any cryptocurrency on a sleek and simple interface. We maintain the highest standards of financial security, compliance, interchain, multi-chain compatibility, effortlessly swap digital assets between chains. Built on Cardano. Keep your assets in your wallet by avoiding the high fees of the Ethereum network. Look at that. By avoiding the high fees built on Cardano. Private token sale, 36%. Tokenomics roadmap. How do we get into the token sale? How do we buy this thing? Where do we get this thing? Co-founder in the UK, Sean Panos. Look at this. CEO of CardStarter, Atash. Fiat off-ramp. C-Swap liquidity hardware wallet, Q4. Hardware wallet does not come out till Q4. Damn. Launched the IDO marketing campaign in Q2, so it's coming out now. Swap cross-chain staking coming out in Q3 this summer. Interesting. Lending, futures contracts, synthetic assets, and securities in 222 and plus. Burncoin will eject SAFEMOON. Do wallet services need a token? PancakeTools said they are not linked to PancakeSwap in any way, I think. Interesting. Damn, that's hot. Gonna have to get some more TCAKE. Yeah, they're not linked to them, but I mean, they're creating a service that's going to be used really, really well. Used all my businesses and personal accounts and tossed you 4 likes, man. Nikki by the dips. Dude, you're the man, dude. You're so funny, man. I appreciate it, man. $99 super chat, all the dips, all the likes, all the love, man. Much respect to you, bro. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Much respect. 162 people watching, 155 likes. We eventually got everybody, or, you know, whoever came in and out. Not everyone gave the likes, but eventually most people did, man. If you didn't give the likes, hey, you didn't get the karma, right? I like the karma. I collect karma. I'm a karma collector. The karma collector. I'm moving on the salts with the start of my Lester. You kind of look at me like Hannibal Lecter. I eat you up like Stanley Betshit. Stayed afloat by accumulating Bitcoin when it dipped. Hit him with the flip, the switch. Never knew when I get him when I hit. Satoshi when I dip. Make a move when I get it when I dip. 329 on 17%. I'm making way to move when I get it with a dent. Anchor BTC still holding pretty well too. That's gonna start to move. I mean, we're planning for that to move. See, we're basically getting ready for the structure to make its way up out of the pattern. Okay. Turning in late, but we'll rewind. Gigameister, nice rap name. Karma Collector. Yeah. Karma Collector, bro. I like that, right? I'm gonna make a track called Karma Collector. You life for killing the rap. Yo, life for killing the rap. Nah, man, I got crazy raps. Usually when I rap, we lose a bunch of subs, so I stopped doing it. You know, which is sad, but it is what it is. They got a hack in the prediction market for Cake. No one talked about it. Cake's still the best performing asset, man. Cake goes to $50, man. So hard, man. Selling is so hard. Selling is so hard. Really, really hard. Super chat for a rap. You guys don't even want to rap. The rap will blow you. You hit a rap and you'll be like, man. Yeah. So just Let's take a look here. Plus, the rap makes me swear, and then they, you know. Then you guys will hear what a maniac I really am, too. But I just feel like the days, we need something else to kind of get us up out of this. Delivering pizzas tonight just to buy more BTC. I would do the same thing, man. Super chat for a wrap. Do whatever you can. If you haven't gone over it already, where do you see Saturna going? Thanks. Let's take a look at Saturna, man. The holder of holders, man. If you haven't gone over it already, where do you see Saturna? I don't listen to rap anymore, but I dig yours. Good flow, bro. Drew Durant. Man, thanks, man. Much respect. Yeah, there's I got crazy raps, man. If you guys want to stay at the end, it is 10:56. We'll go to it like 11:30. But, you know, you haven't gone over it already. Where do you see Saturna going? Let's take a look at Saturna. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Much respect to everybody here. 175 people watching. Can we get the likes all the way up to the watchers, man? You guys are killing it, though. PB Freak, spit that hot fire, man. All right, guys, I usually don't do rap. But this guy just sent I'm going to blow you away, though. I'm telling you right now. Like, I don't think you realize. Like, you guys are going to be like, nah, it ain't like that. And I'm like, it is like that, though. The linguistics is sick, bro. I don't want to get you guys, I don't want to get you guys too excited, man. You know? Like, it's funny, though. I'm searching something right now, and I can't find the one I want to spit, and I can't find it. When I'm like, wait. You always find it. All notes. It's weird. I wanted to prepare something proper, right? Bear with me 1 second. I just want to see this. Damn, come on, man. That's weird. Did I delete my old rap, man? When I went through my email? The chance I could have. Like, that kind of freaks me out because that thing was dope. And it was like super long and like, oh my God. It was always in my phone for years too. And now I'm missing some of my old. Dude, no. No, I got them in here from all the way from. Hold on. Damn, man. Drawing a blank today, man. It's a lot of stress, man. I'll be honest. The market is stressful the last few days. I can't tell you it doesn't take a toll on a man. Came in a little late at 6:30 a.m. Early is SoCal. Targets on MATIC. Thanks, man. Shout out to Kamal. Shout out to everyone here. Thank you so much. Super Doge and CBS article. That's crazy. Super Doge and a CBS article? For that rap lifer. Damn, man. You guys are wanting it. Let's take a look at a MATIC target here. BTC pair, or what are you thinking? USDT pair crypto, Greggy? What are you thinking over there, Gregor? Gregor. MATIC. Who's in my? Could have been before. Should have printed that out. Okay, target for MATIC. Now, to me, look, it's forming another pennant here. Look at it. It is. It's getting ready to make another move. I mean, going all the way to $2.52 right now, and it's oversold in the 4 hour. I believe MATIC's about to go again. It's crazy. We look at the daily. Daily's probably overbought, but you can double top up here and get one more kind of swing up. So I think MATIC gets to $2.52. I really do. 4 hours suggests the same, and so does, yeah, 1 hour's a little hot. So look for this to kind of maybe come back down into the pattern. The chance it's kind of doing something like this too right now. Could be doing this. And I think it wants to come one more time back to the bottom of the pattern and then break on out. Because the 1 hour is going to, you know, have to kind of play out. But the 4 hours ready to rock, bro. So MATIC USDT looks nice. And the BTC pair is probably going to continue to rip. But the USDT pair right here, sitting independent, about to break out. And I see a higher target right there at $2.52, man. So MATIC, unbelievable. Can really, really do some damage. Hell yeah. So check it out. Perseverance, you should persevere it. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Really appreciate it. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin in a second. AAVE BTC, look, double bottom. That tells me that wants to move even further up to the upside. 4 hour is getting to that area, but there's a lot of momentum with the MACD cross. So don't sleep on AAVE BTC, man. I don't know what I'm doing here with all this yellow line action, but oh yeah, I think I was just doing a projection for a tutoring. I was kind of showing them it's either going to go sideways like this or downward like that. We're not sure exactly which way it wants to run, right? A little bit of a cup and handle for AAVE BTC too. Just look at this, guys. So while Bitcoin plays games, you can focus on the BTC pairs. And that's what I've been doing, really. Gaining more Bitcoin. That's what you want to do. Gain more Bitcoin. Look at that. Popped out of the cup and handle, broke to the upside. AAVE BTC. Now it's struggling with that previous high. It breaks that. It's going to go into price discovery for the BTC pair, and then it's gone. So Bitcoin's just hovering on the low, letting these coins really devour Bitcoin so you can get more Bitcoin. It doesn't matter the coin. SXP. Looks like it's really, these coins are really going to start moving. Look, and dominance is in the favor. Look, we gave you this trade. Cup and handle for XXP. There was your target. Came very, very close. Bam. And I see this moving even higher and getting all the way up to these crazy highs and back to where it really was before. 541% gains out of SXP. We saw this with MATIC. MATIC just absolutely ripped. Look at the MATIC BTC pair. That's what I'm trying to show you guys. We can see the same thing occur again. The MATIC BTC pair. Like 500% gains. It seems outlandish, but boom. I mean, look at that. And we look at it on the weekly. Some huge gains for the MATIC BTC pair. Like, it's insane. And it almost went in a straight line. I mean, look at that. 1, 2, 3 straight weeks of just beautifulness. 4 weeks of just boom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. That's crazy. 666%, the 666. I changed into $3 for BTC this weekend. I'm not ashamed. Not bad. AAVE also bouncing back. I wish everybody would stop talking about Doge. Might be a stupid question, but it's ever a good idea to get both BTC and USDT pair of a coin? I mean, it doesn't matter. Still a newbie, but how do you buy these pairs? Is that something we can cover during our session today? Yeah, sure. I mean, it just, you buy them on the exchange. You have to have an exchange on Binance or on KuCoin, wherever, or, you know. Hey, Lifer, you can even do it on Coinbase. I don't know if you covered it already, but what about the T-Doge on PancakeSwap farm? Is that a good investment to provide liquidity for this? Yeah, why not? I mean, it's up to you. I don't do it, though, so I don't really like to talk about things I don't do. The Spittin' Streamer. She's funny, man. Yeah, I'm a little upset right now. I can't find this rap that I wrote like years ago that's like insane. It's super big and super long. I feel like I might have printed it out at one point too. Jeez, man. I think I deleted it because it was in my... I had to clean out my... Damn, I had to clean... You'd think it would stay though. I've also sent it. Oh man, never find the thing, man. A deeper correction would probably be better than a slow descension in a second. Boom. SAFEMOON, man. People really think SAFEMOON's a viable project to buy, which honestly, I'm still on the fence of just can't wait to get the heck out. I just can't wait to get out of, like, I love it. I'm not saying it's like, but I just can't wait to take my money and run, man. I'll be honest with you guys. Like, holding SAFEMOON is giving me an ulcer. I'm being honest. Like, it's giving me like an ulcer, man. It's like sits in the back of my chest all day long. And I'm like, oh, what should I do with SAFEMOON? What should I do with SAFEMOON? You know? Damn, I think I lost a rap that I wrote a long time ago, and that's really got me messed up in the head right now. Back from no lack of 1,000 acid trips, this bastard spits like a pirate captain kid, give a flask a swig. Blast your ribs, live when the passion is, lip lashing tits, animalistic, stand as my dick shift, that you a man or a misfit, shit on you curbs, shifting the hurt, shit on you curds, flipping the bird, if you behind me, I shift in reverse, the kid that was cursed, since my feet first flirted with dirt, and I was going for a beat to go berserk and just burst, call me Arnold Terminator, tough enough to raise gators, call me Arnold Terminator, tough enough to raise gators, the hit maker that spit data, I chop you up like a caper, smoke pouring out my barbecue, alarming to those who hear it for the first time, you can hear my thirst climb to the tippity top, the Everest, I am the cleverest, tight like a leather vest, Osama bin Laden of this rap shit, call me the terrorist. Do you get to know me? Do you get the gist of my multi-syllabic? Hit him with the sick sing with my multi-syllabic, hit him with the sick of it, hit. Do you get the gist of it? Multi-syllabic with, see, I had to have it written down because it was like, do you get the gist of this multi-syllabic? Hit him with the pyramid. Don't get crapped open like a Snapple in this big apple, because cats will applause and clap you. Actual fats, dude. Head on the dash with a half-finished tattoo. Shh, be quiet. Only listen from speeches to Matthew. Listen back like, oh yeah, shh, be quiet. Only speak when I have to. Listen back like speeches from Matthew. Yo, oh man, I need it written down because this thing is insane. You know, me, I'm one out of a billion, man. You lost like Gilligan. I rhyme beats and rhyme beat patterns, wake up and fill them in. Reach my peak and climb up the hill again. Reach and teach and speak till I'm fulfilled again. Yo, it just, nah, man. I really can't believe I don't have the rap because it's dope. It's like the dopest rap ever, and it's like one of the longest raps I ever wrote, and I don't have it. And I don't know. It's kind of getting me, and that's another thing today now. Oh, don't have that rap. You know, might be on my notes in another phone or another computer or something like that, but we'll see. Yeah, I have another one. It's where is it? It was always double meaning and stuff too. Please be clear about it. The Slick Rick. What does he mean? Please be clear about it. Do we sell or buy? I bet you have a ton of bunny coin. B Rabbit. Yeah, I do. RIP ETH. RIP Dogecoin. I know, right? Be your own boss. Fire, 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 fire. Yeah. Multi-syllabic. Oh man, it was insane. No, I'm trying to find this one last other one too. When the show ends, I get a little funky. 11:30, 11 o'clock. We get a little funky, you know. Especially on this Monday, man. Trying to get through these crazy times together. It's not easy, man. AAVE on the week though, continuing up on the weekly. Look, AAVE is gonna go up to 872. Look at the weekly chart. AAVE looks great. You know what I'm saying? I said, wake up at 9 and move my ass, feeling time pass, walking fast in one complete groove. I watch my feet smooth. I watch my feet move across the street smooth. It's hard to see deceit ooze out of bleeding bodies at rest. It's life, it remains the one test and give me pains in the chest, forever marked like a stain in your dress. My energy drained from excess, mind, body, and soul, to stop the government who designed the control. Fuck it, I'll live it till I find my goal, cause it's mine and whole. Hidden since as a diamond can't shine from coal. My main purpose is underneath the surface. I must accomplish goals or else I feel worthless. A one and only chance is what this birth is. A crazy place is what this earth is. I'm using everything I have to work with. I'm like a bear can when you shake it. Once open, your back and front's broken. While I'm blunt smoking, simultaneously reciting first. Rapper have an exciting thirst. Bring the battle, I'm fighting first. Electrifying MCs with a lightning's burst. Echo the sound of thunder. Each day I walk around and wonder how I made it here and made it clear since I stumbled on this earth. Then I mumbled at my birth. Have you looked into Wyckoff overlay with Bitcoin? Really interesting. Oof, woohoo. Yeah. I've been doing this for a long time, man. I've been doing it for a long time. I perfected the flow, the interconnected syllables, the mathematical patterns. It's just like trading. You know, it's all loaded up. You know, it's all loaded up. You know, it's all loaded up. Ready to rock. I got as many problems as stars in the sky, and this love lost makes my heart wonder why. At 19th and 8th we had a part with a sigh. Yesterday's street seller, just a cart with no guy. I felt deep emotion when she started to cry. I walked away and saw the clouds part in the sky. The sun blinded me like a dart in my eye, and it gave me inspiration to spit this art I supply. Cause missing you is what's so hard to deny, and kissing you you'd always just start up my fly. And lately I'm edgy like glass shards in a pie, but I gotta keep on moving like them cars going by. Plus I cover ground near and far to the sky. I had first intent, but by a yard you were shy. To cope I smoke out this lest y'all get high. You'll be educated when these 16 bars multiply. Bam. Exactly 16 bars. To the T, to the limit, to the moment, to the time. You know? Trying to find the stream. I can't even see the stream anymore. Here it is. Shout out to everyone on the live stream. Much respect to everybody. Thank you for kicking it with me. Fire. Who said man can't multitask? Oh, really? That's beats on this one. Fire. Really like the beats on this one. Yeah, I spit it to the beat when this one, you know. There's so much, man. I got an album coming out. We're going to keep you guys moving. Do you know anything about Doge token? Might be a stupid question, but is it even a good idea to get both BTC and USD pair? You don't want to do that. That's fire. Lyrics are slick. You're the dude. Oh, man. It's like I'm forgetting rhymes that I used to write lately. It's weird, man. Today, I'm getting old, man. Crypto life, baby. Crypto dynasty, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. 190 people on the likes, man. Much respect, bro. Much respect. I offer one-on-one tutoring if you ever need it. I won't teach you how to rap, though. Can you check OVR? Let's take a look at OVR. Theta BTC continuing to make a move. A lot of these BTC pairs want to make a move against Bitcoin. Look at this on the weekly chart. Theta BTC looking very, very juicy. Right? Look at that. Looks like Theta's going to move on BTC. Looks a lot of these coins want to make a move on BTC on the weekly chart. Look, and you play the weekly chart for Kusama, it was going to boom. Look at that. It's interesting, man. Zoom out, guys. Get into that weekly chart. It takes some time to get into the weekly, but look at the Solana on the weekly. This is $2 on January 25th, man. It's already done a 25x and continuing to rip. Solana. Looks like it only wants more. It's been quite a bull run already, to say the least, man. Some of us could have made more. I could have made way more. I could have made way less. It is what it is. Don't beat yourself up about it. You know? Let's take a look at OVR. Wow, this thing took a beat down. Everything that was kind of new and interesting in the NFT space got a pump and dump. Right? It's already getting a little oversold on the weekly too. Damn, man. This is a sketchy chart, honestly. This is hard to check. I mean, normally I would say buy the low here and continue to make a move. But right now, I don't know. I have to watch this play out for a while. I would leave this alone for at least a couple more days, at least a week. I like these live streams playing in the background when I work. Gives me motivation to sell more. Keep the shit up and keep the rhymes coming. Shout out to Nick Tanos, man. Shout out to everyone here, man. We'd love to get your thoughts on XRP. Now, if you can just wrap your tech analysis. I know. OVR is near the 21 moving average, but add an adage. I would add here. Now you can just wrap your tech analysis. OVR USD. Can you look at XRP USDT? XRP USDT. Now we were looking at this and I got it in the buy zone right here, about to break out. So 99% gains coming out of XRP. This is a call right here on the channel and I'm standing by it. So shout out to all my XRP lovers. Shout out to XRP Muser, all my people up in the spot. Yes, this thing can do damage and I think it's going to do very, very well. So XRP, man, about to go up, about to do its thing for sure. Spot. Yes, this thing can do damage and I think it's going to do very, very well. So XRP. Bam. The colors still don't look right here. My forehead's not yellow and green. There's something going on with the green screen. I might just revert back to like a nice background and just cutting out green screen, just lighting it nice. I don't know. We'll look into it, but we'll see. Shout out to Muser, bro. SEC 21st, gonna let it rip. Aha. Yeah. Stay safe, bro. Greeting to all y'all. Shout out to everyone on the live, man. Much respect to everyone here. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your assets with me, which is your time. Amen to 100% from XRP. Yeah, it's coming, man. It's coming. We should watch you on Ver. We should watch you on Ver. On VER. On VR. Yeah, no, for sure. VR would be dope, man. Settlement in weeks, hopefully. That's so dope, man. They're going to finally settle. And when they settle, it's going to be back on Coinbase. It's going to start to rip, man. Hey, thoughts on Butter and Moon Boys? Thank you for all your help. Cheers, mate. Let's take a look at Butter. How's Butter doing? That little butter cake. I wasn't too confident in Butter. I felt like the project was kind of a little too small, in my opinion. I bought into it, but it wasn't I wasn't like, yes, Butter's the greatest thing on earth, right? So I have $135 in Butter. Tanked on me hard, right? I mean, that's the 1 hour chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. I thought I bought it somewhere here. So Butter had a beautiful move, came up hard, and then bam, took a dump city, but it is respecting previous high. I believe that's what I bought Butter somewhere, maybe even right around this area, because it was respecting the previous high, and I thought we might get a pump out of it. So that's Butter for you. And honestly, we can also obviously see. I was gonna move on, but I said, you know what, do the right thing and put in more effort. So I said, I'll put in more effort and I'll make the triangle. So always put in more effort, guys. Even when you don't want to. You're about to move on. No. Go all the way. And there's Butter for you. I believe it's going to maybe come back down to the bottom of the pattern and then break on out. Butter. I like it. Butter, let's take a look at Moon Boys. MBS. A lot of these projects, once they pump, you want to get out of them, man. They're like night and day. You want to get in, you want to get out. So Moon Boys just, look, had the beautiful pump to the upside. May 14th, and that was your time to get out. Honestly, that was it. That was it. Recovery stage. Had its first initial pump here on the 21st of April. Came back down. Had that nice pump down. Now, anything is possible, but I don't like to hold on to these coins, see where they're going to go, you know? Let's look at KuCoin. KuCoin took a dump. Huge dump. Look, we were up high. Really high, doing really well on May 12th. Came back down almost to the lows, right? Can it continue to move? You never know. These are high-risk coins, man. Price is dipping on SAFEMOON. Let's take a look at SAFEMOON. Yeah, it's taking a little bit of a hit for sure, right? Let's take a look here. So that high, it's a bit of a head and shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. I don't know. That's a head and shoulder, head and shoulder. That's kind of a bearish pattern to me, you know? It says it could come back all the way down and test this area here, possibly, right? I'll tell you what, man, holding SAFEMOON's tough. That wick did come to that low right there, and we did bounce, so are we going to hold? It is a little weird pattern, to say the least. It's not a healthy pattern. A rounded top almost with a wick to the high. That was the chance to get out on the low, right? Right above the previous high. But they're coming out with a card now and some big news. Like, I saw that they have a card coming out, like their own credit card. Pretty interesting. I mean, the team doesn't look like they're going anywhere, honestly. Hopefully we follow that trajectory and stay on the upside. It's kind of like a giant ascending triangle in a way. You see that? Gonna keep holding SAFEMOON Cash. Was up 100% since your buy on Friday. Let's take a look at SAFEMOON Cash. I got 712 bucks in SAFEMOON Cash. We were up huge up here. Should have sold that. Now it's in a bit. Ooh, look at that red candle just out of nowhere. But now it's in a bit of a flag. I like this flag. Right? Something like this, see? Sabuka Uno. But if it follows this trajectory, you know, almost a cup and handle, not perfect, kind of a funky pattern here. Cup right there, handle, boom. See? And testing previous support, which is right there on this line. See? Tap, 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 tap. We should bounce off that. We break that, we might keep coming down. But that's definitely a cup and handle. SAFEMOON Yacht having problem finding gas. I know, man. I know. KuCoin Steve, is it a bit bot? Crypto is like love. You can't hurry. You just gotta wait. I know. SAFEMOON will announce Phoenix trade. No one knows what it is. Yeah, this is gonna be big. This Phoenix trade thing, bro. Let's take a look at this. I saw it on their Twitter, right? There was something on their Twitter. And it was this ad for this coin. It said Phoenix coming. And I don't know. It looked pretty impressive to me. Almost 1 million followers. Pretty crazy. Make it your own. SAFEMOON coming soon. Like, this is pretty cool. Sorry. Sorry about that. SAFEMOON wallet, man. Sometimes it's straightforward. Let's not complicate the mission. Yeah. Funny. Operation Phoenix. I wanted to recap that we are working on to ongoing conversations about SAFEMOON in the Gambit. Oh man, looks pretty cool to me. They got a lot going on. 19 hours this came out. So SAFEMOON, man, definitely making some big moves. Follow me at CryptoLifer33. I'd really appreciate it. I'm on Twitter all the time, talking, having fun, just giving you guys things. I also even put out quotes. Someone broke the simulation. Can we reboot or at least load from my last save point when my portfolio was breaking the all-time highs? You can always count on Americans to do the right thing after they've tried everything else. Winston Churchill on Bitcoin. So eventually they'll kind of come back to Bitcoin, but they've tried everything else first. I really love the Save the Planet Earth tree planting movement, but it's like a dead horse. Yeah, it's over, man. Someone probably did that as a cash grab. No man should have all that power. Kanye West on Elon Musk. I mean, that's pretty funny, right? And remember, guys, watch my video on Defi City. I'd really appreciate that as well. There's, you know, spotlighting me here at the Crypto Lifer, at the Crypto Lifestyle channel. I'm talking about DeFi City out here. Follow me and follow this link, please. Run this video up for me, please, guys. Put it here. Welcome to the Crypto Lifestyle. Here at the Crypto Lifestyle, we focus on this video up. It didn't get a lot of love, man. Need more love. Is Shiba Cash worth getting into on the KuCoin? Good to see your work has been busy. I enjoyed your AMA. Family is everything. Thank you very much, AB. For the $40. Is Shiba Cash worth getting into? I don't know, man. I don't like Shiba Cash. I'm not into it. I'm personally not probably going to get in. I'm being honest with you. I wish I could say, yeah, I love it. I'm going to get in. Thank you for the $40 super chat. Much respect. But I don't know, man. And thank you for throwing a tip in my jar. Much appreciated to you. Much appreciated. Shiba Cash. it's kind of just like enough is enough, right? It's like when they remake Batman, like enough is enough. Like write a new movie, man. You know? Like come on. We are the original Shiba Cash. Oh, there's another one? We burned 50% of the total supply to CZ and then threw away the key. 50% was locked in PancakeSwap. Now everyone has to buy the open markets, ensuring a fair and complete distribution. Where devs don't own team tokens, they can dump on the community. We offer the exact tokenomics of the original Shiba Inu token. No gimmicks. BSC Army, in progress roadmap, organic marketing. Oh, come on, man. That means no marketing. Organic marketing push on all platforms. That means they don't pay any paid advertisement with large social influencers. Okay, 200K plus. Listings on CoinTiger and Coingecko. Leash Cash airdrop to all holders of the Shiba Cash. And Shiba Cash lottery dApps, Coin Market Cap. I got the Leash Cash, though. SP is up 3x for me. Man, if SAFEMOON has so much money, why are they making Fiverr videos? Literally video templates. Kind of sketchy. There you go. Look at Aaron talking about it. See? I mean, because why not, I guess? It just gets the point across, right? You don't need much more. Just boom, boom, boom. Get it done. You know, what's the point of spending all that money and just getting it done? I don't know. I see your point, though. I like you bringing that up. That's interesting. Very interesting. Super Shiba save decks coming in a week. This is crazy, man. It's too much, honestly. It's too much. It's too much. It's just too many new things, new coins every single freaking day. XRP right here. I would get into XRP at 148, ride it all the way up to $3, man. Make 100% gains on your money. Let's do it. SXRP. Gonna double up your account real fast. You still bullish on 1inch and SNX? I'm very bullish on both projects. They have been very, very hard for me to hold, and they've been beating me down. Honestly, SNX, like, this is Wyckoff accumulation though, and it's only gonna eventually break to the upside. You know, shoulder, head, and shoulder bouncing off the top. This could almost be a retest. This could almost be a bullish retest off the top trend line. I'd be viable for that idea, and then SNX can get all the way up to $30, $41, where it deserves to be. It has not had a pump yet. Come on. It should be up 5x at least. Every coin's up at least a 5x. Come on, SNX, man. You can do so much better than this. So much better than these meme coins masquerading to be legit crypto projects is ironic on many levels. I agree, bro. They're not legit projects. Don't think they are. They're not making good stuff. Enough. Quick TI and BNB lifer. BNB dominance or BNBD? BNB down or BNB? Someone asked for BNB BTC. Look at that. BNB just wrecks on Bitcoin. Look at that. That would have been a great trade as well. I didn't have my eyes open, man. It's weird. Like, I was looking at so many things and like, I'm like, damn. Had I just focused on 2 trades, Solana, MATIC, and BNB, I could have made so much Bitcoin and then just forgot about the rest of it all. Right? Focus, 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 focus. Quick TI and BNB came out on 1inch on the 9th, waiting for a buyback in the next 2 days. Oh, Bitcoin Diamond. A BNB Diamond, right? I know what you're saying. BNB Diamond. Oh yeah, it's a decentralized coin, like BNB Diamond. It was ripping at one point, up huge, like absolutely huge. BNB Diamond. I don't know, man. I'm sick of this stuff, honestly. They're the next generation of finance built for the community. Anything that has a million coins anymore, I'm kind of all hands on deck for your dream of passive income. Is a mission to empower people with financial freedom. We want to make it easier for people around the world to access crypto assets. Really though? 10% fee on every BN transaction will be allocated, which is MVP coming soon. Limit orders, Pair Explorer, real-time chart data. Our project is based on existing DEX and BSC ETH. That's interesting. More upcoming features, tokens, token burn, fair launch, liquidity. Join the Diamond family. I'm not sold on any of this stuff, man. I feel bad even talking about it. Come on, Spiral. These meme coins masquerading to be legit is sad. I hate it. I think it's horrible. I think it's absolutely horrible. XRP, man, I'm staying to that. And this Cartesian trade as well. Bunch of trades we looked at today that look very, very, very nice. Let's look at total and total too. We need to see what this market wants to do, where it wants to go. $1 inch, man, back to $4. What a piece of garbage. BTC taking a hit now too, getting sold off pretty hard. We're going to look at total and total too for a second. Total sitting at 2 billion even. They're about to try to, they cracked us to 194, man. They did it. So let's take a look what happened here. He hit the target. My target was going to be at 2.58. They went a little lower, didn't go all the way to the target, got to 2.46 and then got rejected. All right, so you can see now we're forming either a rising wedge in the bigger channel. And we do have the bullish divergence established now. Swing down to swing down. And this is just Bitcoin. It takes up 50% of this whole thing, 40 now. I can't believe it's taking up less and less. You got my like. Shout out from Brazil, man. Much respect. Pissed I missed H-bar pump. How do I get into the trade group? You pay $1.99 to my Patreon, and then I'll give you everything I have. Man, the meme coin's masquerading to be legit. To get into the trade group, just a lot of people are saying if Bitcoin goes to low, it'll drop to 28, 30K. What are your thoughts? It will go to 20K. I truly don't believe that. I think we're kind of at the low here. And the reason is that the weekly's oversold, the daily's oversold. We're oversold in multiple time frames with really strong bullish divergence in the 4 hour. That's a really extended strong bullish divergence. So I just stick to the divergence, man. I don't go for anything else. You know? Look at all these pairs just taking a beat down now. V-Chain went from that high at 26, 27 bucks and now coming back down. Veracity at 0.2, right? By the bottom of the trend line, aggressive buy. That's why it's an aggressive buy, because look, you might just get hurt. It could fall out, but 9 out of 10 times it ends up panning out pretty nicely. What I see is this: we're in a falling wedge with a head that broke back into the pattern. Veracity hit this hit a stop. I mean, these Bitcoin tore the market a new one, man. Elon Musk tore the market a new one, honestly. And you try to say, you know, this stuff would have happened without the news, and I look at the TA and I try to think, you know what, the TA was coming anyway. Bitcoin was going to dump anyway, but was it going to dump like this though? I don't know. I honestly can't. I got to say there has to be some news in there, even if I want to say it's all TA, which it normally is. There's got to be every once in a while a worldly influence. Like what Elon Musk did was kind of a black swan event. Because he's such a known and influenced person, that's kind of a black swan event is what he did. Are you still considering a Tesla? Yeah, I mean, honestly, I really wanted a bunch of stuff when I felt my account exploded and I saw, oh wow, I could do all these awesome new things, and now I'm honestly just like, I don't know, man. Obviously got humbled by the pounding, right? 200 grand in my account disappearing isn't fun, right? That's an easy. I could have sold the top and bought back right now, and I would have had 3 Teslas, you know, 3 Model 3s or whatever. But you know. So you got to put things in perspective. You know, why didn't I sell the whole top? I didn't know that Elon Musk was going to tweet that in the middle of the night. And then, you know, Elon went full Spurg. You know what I'm saying? I dumped my Tesla token after that. It's funny. He lost a lot of people that probably supported him, man. People kind of have a weird taste in their mouth. I actually do too. I don't want to say anything bad about him because you know what? He tweets what he does. I'm a kind of spontaneous, crazy person too. So I don't like to hate on people that are spontaneous and crazy. You know, but it is what it is, right? I like this trade on STX right here. Stop loss below this dotted line. I like STX right here. We talked about it yesterday. Check out Tesla stock, LOL. We don't have a crystal ball, man. We just gotta wait. I agree, Milton. I agree. I love the guy, but damn. Billionaire wars are going down. I know, right? I feel you. I'm not mad. I was just not a fan of his late night drinking. Right? Maybe he does that. Can we take a look at XLM? He lost millions of supporters. It's kind of true. Yeah, nothing negative because I like the discounts, but over the Teslas. Shushki and fuck Elon might move. Yeah, they might actually. I mean, That Elon one was moving recently when we looked at it. It was moving. We looked at it on the channel. We thought it was funny, right? This thing pumped hard, bro. Look at that. Pumped hard. And then why sell it? Like when you're angry at him, you want to buy more of this. Like, so people might just be revenge trading on him right now. It's kind of funny. Damn, the 17th though, 4,000% gains. I mean, a 40x. That's a 40x. Now look at the tank that it just occurred though. Look, that's how fast you can lose 2,000% in literally under a minute, 2 minutes. It's supposed to be a scam. Sailor must be hitting up a lot of hitmen right now too. Tesla stations here in SoCal are empty. Isn't that funny, man? He lost millions. People sold their Tesla immediately. Like, I don't want anything to do with this crap coin. Pre-sale, save a panda. Come on, man. I'm sick of this stuff. Donald, new token. Angela, Shabaka Eno. I mean, guys, I'm gonna start kind of getting away from this stuff. I'm being honest. Like, I don't think we're gonna kind of. I'm gonna buy decentralized coins and be in a decentralized world. But Bunny down to 227. It's just a. That was 20 grand. I lost 8 grand at Bunny. Dude, taking a hit left and right. Honestly, it's not easy. Honestly, it's not easy. But yo, I'm here for you guys. Like, I show you exactly what's going on. I show you exactly where I'm at, and I don't candy coat anything. I'll show you my loss. I'll stare you right in the face and say I'm down 8 grand. And I'll be like, it is what it is. Just curious, when Tether spikes to 105 for a moment, what's happening? That means too many people are into Tether. People are running into Tether. MATIC dumpage. Yeah, take your profits on MATIC, man. Let's see what's going on with MATIC. It looked like it was in a pennant, though. Let's see. No, it's looking good. No dumpage. Look, it's staying inside this pattern on the 4 hour. And it's oversold. This looks pretty nice to me. Yeah, look, this is good. I mean, this is very healthy. Dumpage would be if it broke this lower trend line at 147 and dumped down to 115. That would be dumpage. As long as this lower trend line holds, there's no dumpage. Like, it's just kind of forming a pattern that it's still in, right? There's the red candle right there. It's okay. I mean, people took profits from 178, right? They try to get past that all-time high one more time. It's rough out here. What about Moonfire and Infinex? They are new. I'm done, man. I can't do it anymore. Anything can make the market shake. It happens in the regular stock market. People hating on him or Tesla too much. He did put himself in a bad light, but let him say what he wants. I agree. I'm with you, Milton. I'm with you. Can you do T on DSLA? It's on KuCoin. I'm all in, but it's been steadily dropped. You're all in? On DSLA? Yikes. That would be stressful right now. I wouldn't want to be all in on DSLA right now. Look at that. Just continuing dump. I don't know. I think there's a bot suppressing the price. Something crazy is going on with this thing. I'll be honest. That would have been my buy zone right there because previous support. It didn't hit this support. It didn't hit this. It just broke all support regions. Right? All in XRP. XRP is about to fly, man. It's about to do its thing. Chart looks really good to me. Cardano, man. Taking a dump too. See, you always got to sell the tops of these. Jesus. 247 and Cardano beats itself down. Yeah, 180, 190 is going to be your place to get back into Cardano. Either this support or this support, in my opinion. 180 to 190 Cardano. And what do you see? You see bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Swing up to swing up. Swing down to swing down. Time to get out of Cardano. I'm holding long-term bags of Cardano. Lots of things just coming together for XRP. Is V looking okay? Thank you. VeChain's taking a beating too today. The BTC pairs are all right, but taking a beating on the USDT pair. It's holding all right, though. Holding a good support region. Bam. Did you hear about Coinbase accidentally giving 190 to some random wallet? No. Are you kidding me? I wish I did that. I wish it was my random wallet. Which if it's mine? I haven't checked my Coinbase account today. I would never give it back, bro. I would disappear into the freaking... I would send it into Monero immediately, tumble that thing, and just freaking send it to a hardware wallet and freaking ride off into the sunset. Immediately. Hi, Sam. So do you think we ride our cake and Bunny in the compounding on Bunny Finance? I think the answer is yes, but just checking. That's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. I better check my Coinbase account. I know. And there's a new project, which is I found a website competing with DX Sale and Rug Group. All the coins are vetted. It's called Path Fund. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I mean, I typed in Coinbase accidentally to the address wallet. Nothing comes up. So I don't know. The Coinbase accidentally put 20 Bitcoin in my account and then charged me for them without contacting me about the mistake. Coinbase accidentally put 20 in my account and then charged me for them without contacting me. Any order since my complaint has been high risk canceled. Well, he should sell them and then pay for the... I see what he's saying. I got an open ticket regarding unauthorized charge I discovered on my credit card in December. It takes them over a month to get back to me, which they only ask if I still need help with the issue. First, I'm told it appears I entered my account into a phishing website. I didn't, and then a hacker must have bypassed 2FAC to buy these Bitcoins. I responded that they clearly didn't even look into the issue and gave them the direct... That's crazy, bro. If you just had 20 Bitcoins in your account one day. Liver, could you take a quick look at CHZ when you have a moment? XRP holding its own during the sell-off pretty well. Yeah, it is. Well, it's got its own ecosystem, its own thing going on. It's like there's so much going on with XRP. It's kind of like it tanked without the market when the market was doing well. In or out of Anchor, Sam? I'm staying in Anchor, man. Anchor BTC. Remember, though, I'm in BTC Pairs, guys. BTC Pairs. Okay? BTC Pairs. I'll say it again. I'm in the BTC Pairs. EQZ. Can't. Yeah, McLovin. I knew this week was going to be bad. But it's Monday, 50K down. Can't even move anywhere. Yeah, could you take a quick look at CHZ? We'll look at CHZ for sure. Thank you for that $99 super chat, man. Much respect to you, bro. That guy came through, man. He was like, you know what? Enough is enough, man. I'm gonna bless my man. Bless this dude. Looking at CHZ, USDT, okay? And to me, it's just forming this bull pennant and just hanging out in there. I don't know why this is doing this. I want to get out of this. So I see it just forming this bull pennant, bottom of the pennant. That's where you want to accumulate the price, man. There's nothing else we can do but do what we do over and over again and get in right there. Put a stop loss right below this line and let it ride, CAG. And then I see the target for this is going to be a bigger target because that's a long pull. All the way to the price, leave it on the wick there, swinging on over to the last 25% where you believe it'll break out. That's what CAG at $1.38 from 40, a nice 3x from here. Bought TRIAS at 175. I think Easy is going to go on a similar run. Yeah, we like EQZ. We talked about EQZ recently, and I put out a call for it. Let's take a look at Equalizer on KuCoin. Pumps and dumps, though, but it's retracing back to previous support. Right there. And we're oversold on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. We got to come down a little more on the 1 hour. We had a falling wedge, a rising wedge. What? Broke down. Just like they tell us they're going to do. 68% of the chance these rising wedges break to the downside. So now you're in a falling wedge that needs to kind of break to the upside. Hopefully test support. Am I getting into this trade right now? I don't know. Little sketchy times right now. I hold back on a lot of trades. When you're coming down to NV, soon, man. I gotta figure out how to do the live stream every day. So this is what I'm proposing to do. Okay. I found these online recently. I found these online. This right here, this XBEC try screen. Anyone see this stuff? Sidetrack swivel. See this stuff? I was thinking of getting one of these and doing the live stream whenever I have to kind of like go on the road or do something. Just adding these to the laptop and doing the live stream like so, right? So I'm looking at some reviews of these. I'm going to order them, and once they come, then I'm going to go. The Canadian $100. The advice is top. Take the fam for dinner. Thanks for the time, man. Are you kidding me, bro? $100 Canadian, dude. Dude, you guys, man, you're giving me my hourly wage, man. I appreciate that. 2 people hit me with 100, and then all the other super chats, man. Much respect to you guys, man. Thank you very, very much, man. Thank you very much from the top, from the bottom of my heart. Enjoy the stream a lot so far. Could you take a look at Toko USDT as well? I'm staying in either way. Lifer, you're on your exclusive calls. The anchor call is USDT pair, mate. There you go, man. Well, it doesn't matter what call you're in, man. I'm in the BTC pair that I made the BTC pair live on the stream. And I also showed my actual trade. Right? Like, I showed the actual trade. He's probably right, though. I'm not perfect, man. Let me see. VThor. Agreed. Agreed. It looks just like it on the BTC pair, man. They look absolutely identical. But I'll put the BTC pair out. Thank you for saying that. I didn't notice that. I don't know why I did that. I appreciate you saying that. But look, we even made 175% on MEPAD. In the last 2 days, like this, gee, we've still been killing it, making gains, regardless of how tough the market's been. We're still pulling it in. This is me apparently buying MEPAD right here. Yeah, that's me selling my MEPAD, see? Oh, no, I'm buying MEPAD. 6,150 MEPAD for USDC. This is me buying MEPAD. One of my subscribers did this for me, man. Shout out to you, man. Much love to you. Transaction submitted.
Like dropping your whole wallet to try to get into a trade. Crazy.
Swap 1040 USDC for 6,150 MEPAD.
Man. Nice and easy. None of that 39%. None of that.
Look, this never went down though.
Talking about. None of that. None of that.
That never goes down. $32. There's no MEPAD in my wallet. You know? You know what? I'm gonna try one other thing. No. I'm gonna try one other thing. BSC scan. We're gonna try one other thing. The BSC scan. Sometimes it's like a pegged MEPAD. I don't know. I'm wondering if I just bought the wrong. This is really weird to me because I'm like. But then what's weird is I see a transaction on the 15th with MEPAD. See how there's 2 contract addresses right here too? Look at this. See that? Look at this. There's a bunch of addresses for MEPAD. Seen that? See this one? Like, I think I just got the wrong one, man. I think I purchased some baloney. You know? That's what I think's going on here. I don't know. I see no MEPAD when I scan the ad, when I scan my entire account too. They should give you what's in there, you know. If you scan on BSC Scan, guys, if you don't know where your coins are, go to BSC Scan, put in your address. Once you search your address, go and click this little square. I can't stand this, man. Like, just let me show what I want to show. Like that square right there. See that? Click this square. Bam. And it's going to show you what's in your address. In, like, you know, sitting in there. So you got Binance, and then you can see every single coin I got and what I got, you know. SAFEMOON, PancakeTools, Curate, Berry, Elongate, Elrong, Pitbull, Refinable, Gamer, right? Eclipse, Loki Swap, Butter, RiskMoon, Climb, Toko, Bakery Swap, Binance, Pegged Coin, Polycrowns, DeFi 100, Bunny Token, Mountain, Argon, Viking 100, Liquid, right? VGIF, Bonfire, Pancake LPs, Crypto Space, Rocket, right? God Drop Online, didn't even know what that is. Farming 1 inch, Kickpad, Lifeline, Helmet, Moonchain, Moon Pirate, Moonstorm. And it just doesn't, Peppa Network, Proudly Unwanted Wash Balls, remember those pubes? Rocket Moon, Zaterna. So it doesn't even show me the lost token. Like, I think that transaction just somehow never went through, which is really weird to me because I don't know why. I have no clue. It looks like it went through. And there we go. We got into meme coin. Let the meme games go on. Right? MEPAD. SAFEMOON starting to make a little bit of a move, man. It'd be nice to see it up in here one day. Making a move back to the upside. That would be pretty cool. It eventually did, didn't it? So funny. Should play out every time if we kind of just take it easy. So it did play out, just like I said. Back up to 750. Taking no prisoners. No prisoners. Funny with the Boston accent. Most people are a blue pill when it comes to crypto. If they were a red pill, they would know every project is to be pumped and dumped. Don't wife no crypto. I know, man. That show was sick. I did well on Brick. Thanks. It's funny, man. And invested in MEPAD as well. Can you take a look, please? Yeah, we looked at MEPAD many times already. Crypto with AJ, man. It's pumping nice. It's doing well, and I think it's going to continue to rip. Also, you also like watching yourself. Thumbs up, buddy. I guess so. Most people are blue. Thoughts. BSC scan. Go to token holders and search. Enter your ADDI. Yeah, we went to BSC scan. We just did that, no? Was off the pancake. Thanks. Look in the left corner. It failed. See? It did fail. Oops, top left of the page. Check the top right of the page. I forgot we even bought it. There's an error. MEPAD blew up. Wow, thanks. I didn't sell the top. Thought it was going to continue. What a guy. I'm from the UK. Your live at night is like 2 a.m.-ish, so I just got off your Telegram in the morning, bro. Enjoying the stream a lot so far. Could you take a look at Toko USDT? Only if it's easy. Toko on KuCoin. Dumps, but you know, it's forming like a falling wedge. Probably going to break out. Retesting previous support right there. It fell down below previous support. Now testing the next support region, which is right there. Bam. I bought bottoms of the patterns when it's running out of room. That's where you want to get into the trade. For sure. Toko USDT, right? Making its move at 0.05 cents. So, Bitcoin getting close to that 42K danger zone again. I'm starting to realize when you check your profits, you say to yourself, bloody hell, that's some gains, best to sell. Missed it twice now. Almost 800 to 9, it shaved off overnight. Never selling SAFEMOON, hodl. There you go, man. Bear is coming or not. Can you check TK Rev token, please? I got MEPAD on the stream. Shows my TX 14 days, 12 hours ago on BS Scan. Search your ADDI for the TX under holders. Yeah, I don't think I did it, man. Honestly, because I remember the 146 being something else too. Was I wrong about Bitcoin? Worrying signals about inflation and shipping. Let's take a look at the DXY, man. What's up with the dollar index? Because You want to balance the dollar index. You want to see what's going on with the dollar index. Go over to the Gus funds. DXY right there, 90. See that the dollar's starting to pump a little bit. Interesting. A little pump, not a lot. It pumped up, now it dumped again actually. But back to that 90. I mean, we were back in the 89 region. We pumped back up, right? Had a little bit of a pump and dump, double bottoming here. Let's take a look at the bigger structure. So I see the dollar, look, doing up, down, up, continuing to the downside and going all the way to 85. And that would be really good for Bitcoin and most of the crypto market if we could see the dollar continue to go to the downside. See what's up with Fluent. Cup and handling, long bottoms. This thing's just in a long, it's a downtrend. Look, lower lows, lower high. We need to break that high of $12, or this thing, it's got to break the previous highs here at 9 and 12. Got as high as 830 literally in December. The last few weeks it just collapsed. Went as low as 224. It is oversold on the weekly now, and it's oversold in the daily. So Sony has patented a system to allow live betting on esports matches, potentially using anything from Bitcoin to in-game items. Bro, I finally have a reason for you to get into gaming again. Oh, Bitcoin. Oh, bitty Bitcoin. Oh, the life, man. Gold ASU, my trading strategy. Yeah. How's Crypto treating you guys? Let's long Bitcoin every night of the week. The craziest week for Bitcoin and altcoins. It's been tough, man. Honestly, to run a crypto business the last few days, it's been tough. I gotta hand it to you guys. All right, guys, we're gonna run out of here. Thank you so much for being here. Much respect to all the super chats, man. Thank you very, very much, man. You guys are awesome, man. A lot of love. Really appreciate it. Till I see 1p a share. Yeah, £1 a share. Yeah. I'm holding SAFEMOON, no plans to sell in the near term. Me neither, man. Watch Bitcoin smash 100K after hitting my stop losses. Probably will. Probably will. Fear and Greed Index, super fearful. Yeah, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index before we run out of here. The more fear there is, the more you want to buy. Every time I bought Bitcoin during this Fear and Greed Index when it was really low, best thing that ever happened to me. Best thing that ever happened to me. All my buys for Bitcoin were when this was very, very in heavy fear. And I think it's going to reset to lower. In 8 hours, I think we're going to see extreme fear into the 20s. But this is a good thing. You want to buy around here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Much respect to everybody. I'll see you on the next live stream tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. And we'll kick it like we do every single day with the Crypto Lifer. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for all your love. Thank you for all your time. Your most precious asset is your time, and you're sharing it with me. Without you guys sharing your time with me, I get no love. My channel does not grow. So much respect to every single one of you. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Thank you for all the super chats. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. I will keep working hard for you guys every single day. Thank you so much. And I'll be back on the next live stream tomorrow. At the end of every live stream, we say crypto is life. So we're going to gear up and get ready to say crypto is life. And then we're going to get out of here. So thank you guys so much for being here. I can't stress my gratitude enough. Shout out to High Frequency, Higher Vibes, man. Okay, Giro just launched. Now, where can you buy Giro? Crypto is life. It is. Looks like it's on Uniswap. I'm sorry, man. I don't want to touch it. Why can't we get card swap? Why doesn't Cardano have its own swap? I don't want to buy anything on the Ethereum mainnet today, man. I'm sorry, bro. Thank you for your time. Love the rap. Haha. Have a great day. Shout out to Shiva Katori. Shout out to everyone there. We can say 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life, and we're out of here. 1, 2, 3. Crypto is life. We're gonna make it through this like we make it through every dip. I'll be here and supporting you guys till we go to the moon. Crypto is life. I'll see you again at 9:30 tomorrow morning.